Welcome to Gulson Gardens. Located just 8 minutes from the University of Coventry, Gulson Gardens is your ideal home away from home. Choose from a variety of modern rooms, all equipped with stylish furnishings that are perfect for unwinding after a busy day of studying. Whip up your favorite meals in the fully equipped kitchen, or relax and socialize in the open-plan communal areas. Need some downtime? Head to the cinema room or the game room, both available on-site for your enjoyment. And don't worry about late-night snacks, the vending machines got you covered. Stay active and healthy with the fully equipped on-site gym, all included in your rent. With bike storage available and 24/7 security, you can rest assured that you're safe and secure at all times. With flexible payment options, including the ability to pay in 4 installments at no extra charge, budgeting is made easy. International students are welcome, with international guarantors accepted for installment payments. Conveniently located near Sainsbury Local and Tesco Express, you'll have everything you need just a short walk away. Plus, with nearby bus stops and easy access to Coventry City Centre, getting around is a breeze. Gulson Gardens has everything you need for a comfortable and convenient student lifestyle. Book your room today and experience it for yourself.